Hello, my wonderful friends, and welcome back to Voice of Wisdom. Let me ask you this. What if I told you that keeping your skin radiant after 60 doesn't require an expensive 300 serum, a celebrity skincare guru, or a shelf packed with luxury products? The truth is, some of the most effective, gentle, and age-friendly solutions are waiting for you right at your local drugstore, affordable, simple, and surprisingly nourishing. Here at Voice of Wisdom, we believe beauty doesn't fade with age, it evolves. Whether you're in your 60s, your 70s, or gracefully embracing life beyond 80, your skin deserves consistent, caring attention that really works without draining your budget. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 budget-friendly skincare treasures that are not only easy to find, but also trusted by women who have seen real results. These gentle choices are designed to support mature skin, refresh your routine, and help you glow naturally without unnecessary expense or complexity. So, if you're ready to nurture your skin, celebrate your natural beauty, and enjoy radiant results without overspending, then you're in exactly the right place. Take a few minutes for yourself, maybe pour a calming cup of tea, and let's explore how small, affordable changes can bring out your healthiest, most luminous glow. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Voice of Wisdom, and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss more practical, uplifting tips created just for you. All right, let's get started. 1. Gentle Retinol Cream. Let's start with a true skincare powerhouse, retinol. Now, I know the word retinol can sound a little intimidating, but when used correctly, especially in gentle over-the-counter formulas, it can do wonders for mature skin. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative that speeds up skin cell turnover. Translation: it helps fade fine lines, smooth out texture, brighten dull spots, and bring back that glow you thought you lost years ago. The best part? You don't need a prescription or a high-end spa to get it. Just walk into your local drugstore. A favorite among women over 60 is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Cream. It's gentle enough for beginners, yet effective enough to soften those fine lines around the mouth and eyes. Another great option, Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. Lightweight, fragrance-free, and deeply hydrating. If you're new to retinol, here's how to ease in. Start by applying a small amount just 2 nights a week. Always follow it with a rich moisturizer and be patient. Give it at least 4 to 6 weeks. You'll start to notice smoother skin, brighter tone, and a refreshed, youthful appearance. And here's a golden rule. Always wear sunscreen the next morning. Retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, and protecting your results is just as important as achieving them. So, if you've been feeling like your skin looks a little tired, this just might be the gentle push it needs to wake up and glow again. 2. Hyaluronic acid serum. Next up is something your skin craves, especially after 60. Hydration. And nothing quenches mature skin quite like hyaluronic acid. Don't let the word acid scare you. This one is pure kindness in a bottle. Hyaluronic acid is naturally found in our skin, but as we age, our levels drop, leaving us with dryness, dullness, and those fine lines that seem to show up overnight. A good hyaluronic acid serum acts like a moisture magnet, pulling water deep into your skin to plump it up and restore that fresh, youthful bounce. One of the best drugstore options, L'Oreal Revitalift 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's lightweight, fragrance-free, and delivers instant results you can see and feel. Another fan favorite, the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% Gione. B5, affordable, clean, and incredibly effective. Here's how to use it. After cleansing, apply a few drops to slightly damp skin. Yes, damp. That's the key. Hyaluronic acid works best when it has water to bind to. Then, follow up with a moisturizer to seal it in and lock that hydration deep into your skin. This isn't just about looking dewy. It's about supporting your skin's elasticity, smoothing out fine lines, and giving your complexion a vibrant, healthy glow without feeling greasy or heavy. When you feel your skin drink in this serum, you'll understand why it's become a daily essential for so many women over 60. It's like a tall glass of water for your face. And we all know hydration is the first step to ageless beauty. 3. Broad Spectrum SPF Moisturizer. Now, if there's one step in your skincare routine you absolutely cannot skip, this is it. Broad Spectrum SPF Moisturizer. It might not sound glamorous, but it's the real hero of anti-aging. In fact, sun damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. Think wrinkles, dark spots, sagging skin, and yes, even on cloudy days or when you're just running errands. But here's the good news. Protecting your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. There are incredible drugstore moisturizers that hydrate and shield your skin in one simple step. One of the best out there, CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. It's packed with ceramides and niacinamide, which help repair the skin barrier while protecting you from UV rays. Another favorite, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel with SPF 30. Lightweight, refreshing, and perfect for wearing under makeup. The key is consistency. Apply it every single morning, even if you're staying indoors. And be generous. A pea-sized amount won't cut it. Smooth it over your face, neck, and even the backs of your hands, because they show age too. This one habit, practiced daily, can help prevent future damage and preserve all the work your retinol and hyaluronic acid are doing behind the scenes. Think of SPF as your silent shield. It won't give instant results, but it will protect your beauty, your health, and your glow for years to come. Your simple, affordable skincare routine. Now that we've covered the 3 essentials, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and SPF, you might be wondering, how do I put it all together? Let me walk you through a simple, affordable skincare routine that uses all 3 of these must-haves. No stress, no 10-step process, just real results. Morning routine, brighten and protect. 1. Start with a gentle cleanser. Use something fragrance-free and non-stripping. Your skin should feel clean, not tight. 2. Apply your hyaluronic acid serum. While your face is still slightly damp, pat in a few drops. Let it absorb for about 30 seconds. 3. Follow with your SPF moisturizer. This step does double duty, locks in hydration, and protects your skin from sun damage. Don't forget your neck and hands. 4. Optional. Light makeup or a tinted moisturizer. If you wear makeup, it layers beautifully over a well-hydrated, protected base. Night routine. Repair and renew. 1. Cleanse your skin gently. At night, make sure to remove the day, especially if you've been outside or wearing makeup. 2. Apply your retinol cream. Start small, just a pea-sized amount, avoiding the delicate eye area. Use it 2 to 3 nights a week to begin. On non-retinol nights, skip this step. 3. Moisturize generously. Follow up with a calming moisturizer to soothe and support your skin overnight. This helps minimize any irritation and locks in your treatment. And that's it. 3 affordable products, 2 simple routines, 1 glowing, confident you. The goal here isn't perfection, it's consistency. Because taking care of your skin is more than just vanity. It's self-respect, it's self-love, and you deserve that every single day. Final thoughts, voice of wisdom. Now, my dear friend, I'd truly love to hear from you. Have you ever stumbled upon a simple, affordable skincare product that made a surprising difference in your routine? Or maybe you've already tried one of these little drugstore treasures yourself. Share your story in the comments below because your wisdom might be exactly what another woman needs to hear today. Here, in this community, we learn, encourage, and glow together. If this video gave you fresh ideas, inspired you to treat your skin with a little more care, or simply reminded you that beauty belongs to every age, please take a quick moment to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps Voice of Wisdom reach more amazing women who deserve uplifting, thoughtful content designed especially for them. And if you haven't already, I warmly invite you to subscribe to Voice of Wisdom and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss our weekly episodes. Each one is filled with practical tips, gentle encouragement, and heartfelt reminders that beauty doesn't fade with age, it evolves and grows even deeper. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. Always remember, care for your skin, speak kindly to your reflection, and carry this truth close to your heart. Aging is not the loss of beauty. It is the blossoming of a more graceful, radiant chapter. Until we meet again, stay confident, stay radiant, and most importantly, stay uniquely you. I'll see you in the next video. Ah.